Hey, what's going on, ChartFlix? This Marcus here. I just want to stop through in midday to give you guys a trade idea that I see that will help with your curriculum of learning the break and the retest, which is one of the most traded institutional ways to look at the market. This pair here, AUD that's Australian dollar, with the Canadian dollar, it has made some very symmetric, very institutional stops that I want us to pay attention to. And I always mention how the market will give you the clues and pieces of the puzzle so you can know what to possibly expect in the near future. What we see here is around this 9,300 level. This on July 5th was a place where the market came to, dropped down, and it pushed away from it 75 pips. Now, that was a nice move that happened within a 24-hour time period, right? And we would call this the 75 hesitation zone if we were playing football, okay? But back to the break and retest, it comes back to this level and makes a W off of the 9,300. So we have three touches so far around July 9th. This is the third touch. And then it pushes up to the 50. That's that 50 pip pullback in the football strategy. But then it comes right back here. That's the fourth touch of the 9,300. And what I'm showing you is how these quarter points are your support and your resistance. And breaking retest is actually retesting the support and the resistance. So as you can see, it hits the 50 again and does a 50 pip pullback. And this is our what, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got the fifth touch of the 9,300, and it pushes away, hits that 75 line again, and then we push all the way up here to 9,400. Now, this was an over exaggerated move for all of the buyers to jump in. And as you see, everybody that tried to jump in on the top, that market just fell below. And then we come right back to 9,300 July 21st last week. Okay. So then it does a nice break, a quick retest, and drops down 75 pips. Okay, so we have yet to retest that 9,300, right? So this level of 9,300, valuable price level. Okay, so we've yet to get back there to that level. So you could be looking for selling opportunities at the 9,300 on odd CAD, okay? But I'm gonna give you two entry ideas because I've already drew it up. I'll show it to you. Here we are. These are this is what I am suggesting that you look for, okay? When that market pushes up, it's very possible that it's going to stop at this 9,300 like we just discussed. But another entry idea is for it to push all the way up to 93.25. So these are going to be your two areas that you want to look for selling opportunities. Now, if you want to just set it and forget it, you can go ahead and do sell limits at both of these levels of 9,300 or 93.25. You need to do at least a 40 pip stop loss on each level with at least a 40 pip take profit. Okay, so you can at least have a 1-for-1 if you're going to do a set it and forget it, which is a pending order. Now, if you're going to wait on diversions, which is my I really love waiting on diversion, because what could possibly happen here is that market will be pushing up 1, 2, 3, give you a bear claw, and that's where the bear claw is trying to reach for the nearest level of value, which would be 9,300. The price would be going higher, and your your RSI will be going lower. So that's how you'll be able to know that, man, this is going to be a good place to get in. And you can look for that bear claw really at any level. I'm sorry, at either one of these levels, either at the 9300 or the 9325. Okay, so this is just a quick chart flicks moment because the evening class, we're not going to have that on tonight. I have some other obligations that I'll be taking care of all week. I'll be very busy, but what I will do is I will continue to do videos like this just to show you in between your day. Just take a 5 to 10 minute video just to give you a nugget that can get you even the more closer to your trading goals and your trading identity. Now, if you need a one-on-one and you want to go over some stuff, please don't hesitate to reach out to me via the Telegram. I would love to speak with you. Please reach out to me. You can find me on here, and I'd be more than happy to reach out to you to do a one-on-one with you. Now, if you're coachable, connected, and consistent, I will see you at the top because the bottom is way too crowded.